The aircraft simply adjusts the power of the pusher propeller. This gives the Raider X explosive mobility, instant acceleration, sudden deceleration, sharp dives, and seamless maneuvering. With this design, the Raider X brings together three unmatched advantages over traditional helicopters. First, speed. It can reach up to 460 kilometers per hour, 50 to 80% faster than conventional designs. Second, range. Its operational distance extends far beyond most helicopters of today. Third, agility. Explosive acceleration, sudden deceleration, and fighter jet-like maneuverability in the sky. These three qualities combined make the Raider X a game changer. If deployed in combat, it could serve multiple roles: attack, reconnaissance, support, or even sudden strike missions, capable of defeating opponents in mere moments. But Raider X's greatest challenger does not come from Russia, nor from China. It comes from within the United States itself. The V-280 Valor, developed by Bell, an advanced tilt-rotor aircraft, stands as America's own rival to the Raider X. This new design inherits from the legendary V-22 Osprey. With massive tilting engines at the wingtips, the V-280 can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, yet cruise at high speed like a jet. Two American aircraft, two design philosophies. Only one will dominate the skies of the 21st century. But what was the outcome? The Raider X had already proven one truth. When technology speaks, the line between helicopter and jet fighter becomes thinner and thinner. Traditionally, people thought of helicopters as machines that could take off and land vertically, but always had to sacrifice speed and range. The arrival of the V-280 Valor completely shattered that limitation. This tilt-rotor aircraft, developed by Bell, delivers performance unseen in the history of military aviation. At the tip of each wing, a powerful tilting engine with 4 blades is mounted. When taking off, the rotors tilt upward, acting like a helicopter, generating vertical lift. But once in cruise mode, the engines rotate 90 degrees forward, transforming the aircraft into a fixed-wing jet. This is the genius of tilt-rotor design. Two worlds combined in one machine: a helicopter's vertical flexibility and a jet's incredible speed. The result, an aircraft that rewrites the rules of the battlefield. The V-280 Valor can reach a top speed of 600 kilometers per hour. Even at cruising speed, it maintains a stable 520 kilometers per hour, far beyond the capability of any helicopter in the world today. And it's not just about speed. The Valor's range stretches to 3,900 kilometers, with an estimated combat radius of over 1,400 kilometers. These numbers are so powerful that even the Raider X has to bow its head. The aircraft itself is 15.4 meters long, with a wingspan of 24.9 meters. Its empty weight is 8 tons, with a maximum takeoff weight of 14 tons, enough to carry 14 fully equipped soldiers and a crew of 4. With performance that seems almost unmatched, it is no surprise that the V-280 Valor defeated the Raider X in the race to become the U.S. Army's next-generation assault aircraft, because the Valor is more than just a machine. It is a perfect combination of tactical flexibility and strategic power projection. A weapon system designed not only to fight battles, but to shape the future of warfare itself. Meanwhile, the Raider X, with its advanced coaxial rotors and pusher propeller, still could not match the Valor's speed, range, or payload capacity. And yet, every unique feature of the Raider X quickly caught the eye of China's military observers. Inside the PLA, there is a famous saying: "Cross the river by feeling the stones." It means just follow America's design and you will never go wrong. And indeed, leaked documents and satellite images confirm what many already suspected. China is developing a helicopter that almost mirrors the USS 97 Raider. Twin coaxial rotors, a rear pusher propeller, even the tail layout, all are near replicas of the American design. Once again, the U.S. leads, and China follows, through imitation. It's not hard to see. When it comes to modern military helicopters, China is always one step behind the United States, and the easiest path they choose is imitation. Recently, their new coaxial rotor helicopter was officially revealed. Its configuration is strikingly similar to the famous US Raider X. From the twin counter-rotating rotors on top, to the rear pusher propeller, to the tail with horizontal stabilizers, all bear the fingerprints of copying. The most visible difference lies in the tail fins. Most US helicopters mount them downward, but Chinese designs place them upward. Yet, the overall layout leaves little room for denial. It is borrowed directly from America. And this is nothing new. Back in the 1980s, during the honeymoon period between Washington and Beijing, China imported several Black Hawk helicopters from the US, civilian versions known as the S-70C. Despite already having large transport helicopters from Russia, Chinese officers quickly realized, through real operations, especially in the harsh Tibetan plateau, that American helicopters were superior in load, stability, and high-altitude performance. No doubt about it. After more than 15 years of study, China unveiled the Z-20, a near-carbon copy of the American Black Hawk. From aerodynamic structure to rotor system to the overall silhouette, international observers could only shake their heads. The Chinese Black Hawk. And now, with the appearance of their new coaxial rotor helicopter, Beijing makes it clear. The arms race in the Asia-Pacific is heating up. No one declares it openly, but in military circles, everyone understands. A new Cold War is quietly unfolding between the United States and China. On one side, the Raider X and the V-280 Valor, symbols of America's next-generation rotorcraft. Speed, range, agility, pushed to the extreme. On the other side, Chinese imitations, shapes that may look similar, but fall far short in stability, reliability, and real combat effectiveness. Because war is not only about blueprints, it is about an entire military ecosystem, industry, technology, logistics, and above all, battlefield experience. What we see in leaked photos is only the tip of the iceberg. The quiet confrontation between these two powers has only just begun, and the skies above the Asia-Pacific will be the stage where the outcome is written. Because in this race, it is not just about aerodynamics. It is a contest of entire systems, military industries, technological self-reliance, logistical networks, and the unforgiving lessons of real combat. Every copied shape, every borrowed design may look impressive in pictures, but when tested in fire and steel, the truth will emerge. Will China's replicas ever match America's mastery? Or will they remain shadows of another nation's innovation? One thing is certain. The coming decades will decide who truly owns the skies. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below, because every voice, every question is part of uncovering the truth behind the weapons and strategies shaping our world. I'm Hai. See you in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye.